Hey guys, it's Maureen here with Remax, and I want to tell you about this awesome, amazing listing that I have coming up, and should be hitting the market in a day or two. Everything about it is just absolutely, I can't tell you, I just love this house. Ooh, I'm going to bring you in through the front door here. This is not my professional video. I do have a professional video coming. This is just a little cheat sheet of what we got coming on. I'm just gonna take you around real slow. And then, so this is the living area. And we go down to the bedroom, the owner's quarters. Look how big this room is. And I love this. I love these windows. They put all of these windows in, and oh my goodness, let me just tell you, this backyard is absolutely amazing. And so this is the bathroom. And me! Hi! It's Maureen with Remax. And closet in there. But this is so cool. So in the owner's room, or there we go. You walk right out that door to hot tub, jacuzzi. Oh, this is like, oh, major party backyard. Oh, goodness. So let me show you. I'm going to walk you on over to this is our guest bedroom. Really, really, really nice size. And very nice sized. And we're going to come over here to the third bedroom, which she's currently using as a meditation room. I am like so in love with the decorations in this room. But a really great sized room. And there's a bathroom, the secondary bathroom. As you can tell, they've upgraded lots and lots and lots of things in this house. We have a extensive list of all the upgrades. And so here is the dining room with the kitchen and the laundry facilities. And I did make a separate video of the backyard, but holy moly, you got to see this yard. This is corner lot. Like I said, I'm pretty sure it's a half an acre. And this is just, walk you over here. They have a chicken coop back there. And the pool is sunken in. And I made a whole nother video on this. But the shed, the barbecue, homemade barbecue that is like solid stone. It's gorgeous. You can do a smoker, you can do regular barbecue, anything you want. And then just check out this. This is a massive party house. So cool, isn't it? That big old beautiful tree sticking out of there. And the she shed is, oh my God, but I did make a separate video for the she shed. But if you want to hang on, let me walk you on over there. This house is going to list at only $385,000. Can you believe that? Wouldn't you die to have this much room in your yard? The she shed is going to be optional. It is full electric, full air conditioner, and all of that good stuff, fully insulated. It's like nicer than my house. It's wonderful. I could just absolutely live out here. Or if you got mad at your husband, you could send him to live out here. Anyway, isn't this amazing? That, again, this is optional. The she shed is optional. But it is the electric and the water and all of that good stuff will be staying already plumbed. So, anyway, if anybody wants to see it, it will be hitting the market in, I think, Friday. I think there will be an open house here on Saturday. Address to follow. And if you want the chicken house, it will stay. Chickens will not stay. They are so cute, though. They are just so cute. Aren't you cute? Ah. So you guys call us if you have any interest in seeing this. Check out this back porch. Amazing, huh?